Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tayo. If you're new here, thank you so much for coming to watch my video, and to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back to watch another video today. And compliments of the season to everybody. I can't believe it's another Christmas. It's just as if it was yesterday. I was saying Happy New Year, Happy 2019, and now we are going into 2020, a new decade. In fact, that's so exciting. So yes, I'm looking forward to it. Anyway, comment below if you're looking forward to Christmas. I'm sure you are anyway. So in case you've left your shopping to the last minute and you don't know what to get that special lady in your life, your mother, your sister, your wife, fiancé, girlfriend, or whoever, I have an idea. So I decided to get myself something really nice from Chanel. Once in a while, I try to get myself something nice, and yeah, you have to do a bit of self-love from time to time. So that's what I did this year. I decided to get myself a new cream, and then I saw that Chanel is doing lovely wrapping, lovely packaging, free delivery, and then you also get 2 free gifts with it as well. Who wouldn't want that? So anyway guys, that's what I got, and so I'm going to share with you now. So this is the lovely packaging. Okay, so now the ribbon, I think it was on this side. Yes, I've obviously opened it. I couldn't wait to see what was inside. So if you want to know what I got, keep on watching. So guys, it came in this box. It came in this box, securely packed, very, very secure indeed, and then wrapped, as I said, and also with this lovely card. So let me open up the card and see what the card has. And the card as well is really nice. It's got the Chanel logo across, and so this is my, this would be my bill, what I bought and everything. And then also it's got a lovely card. It says with love from Chanel. I think that's so sweet. And it says thank you for shopping at Chanel, and packaged by David. Well done, David. This was really well wrapped. David, if you're watching, which I doubt, thank you. Anyway guys, let's open up this bag. So the ribbon, and this is the main thing I got, which is the Chanel Hydra Beauty Lotion. Focus. Yeah, I think that's it. And this is 150 ml. Let me take it out. If I can open it. Open it from the bottom. So I have used Chanel lotion before. When I first started as a makeup artist, this was what I was using for my clients. Until I found out that, you know what, this is too expensive. Let me use Embryolisse. So I was using this, not this particular one. I can't open this one. Okay, so now how do they open this? Okay. Alright then, yeah. So that's what the pump looks like. Really lovely. Yeah. So that's that. And I'll probably do a review of the cream in another video. If you've been watching my channel, you know that I do a lot of reviews on serums and creams and things like that, so make sure you watch my other videos if you haven't seen them yet. So inside the bag as well, you've got this lovely pouch. This pouch alone is nice. You can put your earrings, you can put your Chanel brooch, your Chanel brooch, you can put your Chanel earrings. I said that before. So Coco Chanel, I'm sorry, Coco Mademoiselle. This one is one of my favorite perfumes. This and J'adore, those are 2 of my regular perfumes that I use, that I go back to. Normally when I try perfume, if I don't like it, I don't go back to it. But this one, Coco Mademoiselle, I love it so much. This is 1.5 mils. And then this is Gabrielle Chanel. I haven't used this one before, but I've seen it advertised, so I decided to try it. So I got those 2, and that is free in this lovely pouch. Guys, what else do you want? And then also You can write it, you can get a card, you know. So I just wanted to make use of every option they had, so I sent a card to myself. Don't laugh. It's called self-love. So what does it say? Happy Christmas to me. Yeah, so guys, I mean, that's it. That's the box, the packaging, and it's so sturdy. You can put something else in it. If you get this with anything in it for someone, I really do think they'll like it. And their products are not that expensive. They are a bit on the high side, but they're not bank breakers. They won't break the bank anyway. So in case you're still wondering what to get, any packaging with Chanel, I think most ladies will like it anyway. So guys, that's all I have to share today, and I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please don't forget to give me a like, and also please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the bell so you'll be notified when I upload my videos. And guys, have a lovely Christmas. Don't eat too much turkey. Guys, stay safe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.